Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy SQD AI token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps, then you can go to search box here in the top, then you can search SQD and you will see SQD on Alpha. You can click it, and this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and you will see the 24 hour high, low, and also the volume. You can also see the audit here, and if you want to buy it, you can just click trade in the bottom here, and then you can choose the instant buy, or you can put a limit order here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.